Hi friends, for Writing Center today we're going to need a pencil, our scissors, and a glue stick. Now I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name.
At this time, we are going to
Sorry about that, friends. Then I'm going to look at the bottom and I'm going to cut out my words. All right. Cutting, cutting, cutting. And I have can fit period the bear. Now that doesn't make any sense. So I need to cut my words out and I'm going to mix it and I'm going to fix it. Now remember, friends, we always have a clue to which word goes first. I'm going to look for the one with a capital. Now I see that the word the has a capital. So I know my first word is the. The. And now I'm going to look. I have can, fit, bear, and period. The bear would make sense. The bear. The bear. Now I have fit, can. The bear, fit, can. Oh, that doesn't make sense. So I know it's the bear can. Can. The bear can. And then I have the word fit. It. Fit. The bear can fit. And then I'm going to remember that at the end of my sentence, I always put a period. So now let's reread our sentence. Okay, friends, so now my sentence says, the bear can fit. Down here it says to write it. So in my very best kindergarten handwriting, I'm going to recopy my sentence. The bear can fit. Now, if you look, I took my time, I used finger spaces, and I wrote the letters nicely. The bear can fit. Now, my picture needs to show that. So just like in our story, the mitten, I could draw a picture of a mitten. I could draw my mitten. Right? And then I could add a bear fitting inside the mitten. So I'm going to try to draw my best bear. Let's see, I'll put his tail back here like he's fitting inside the mitten. Draw my picture of my bear. So the bear can fit. Now, if I say the bear can fit, I shouldn't see a picture of an alligator, right? Our illustration is going to match our picture. So again, we're going to mix up our sentence, fix it, write it, and then illustrate it. Now, your illustration should have 5 or 6 colors in it. All right, my friends, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here soon for Writing Center.